What is a non-delegable duty in personal injury law? Imagine a situation where someone's safety depends on a specific responsibility that cannot be handed over to anyone else. That's what a non-delegable duty is in personal injury law. It's a legal obligation that the person responsible for it must personally ensure gets done. They can't just hire someone else to do it and then wash their hands of the matter. If harm happens because this duty wasn't properly fulfilled, the original party remains liable, no matter who actually caused the injury. For example, think about a property owner. They have a non-delegable duty to keep their premises safe for visitors. Even if they hire a contractor to fix a broken step, they are still responsible if that contractor's negligence causes someone to trip and get hurt. The property owner can't escape liability just because they delegated the task. The same idea applies to employers. They have a non-delegable duty to provide a safe workplace. If an employee gets injured because of unsafe equipment or poor training, the employer is still on the hook, even if they hired a competent staff or outsourced some safety measures. What makes a duty non-delegable is that it's seen as so important that the responsible person must actively ensure it's done correctly. Usually, these duties involve protecting vulnerable people or maintaining safety standards required by law. For instance, laws about workplace safety or rules about maintaining safe public spaces create non-delegable duties. If someone gets hurt because these duties aren't met, the responsible party can be held accountable directly. In personal injury cases, this means the injured person can sue the party with the non-delegable duty, even if a third party caused the injury. This helps ensure that safety responsibilities aren't just passed around or ignored. It also encourages those in charge to take their safety obligations seriously. Now, how does this differ from vicarious liability? Vicarious liability is when one person is responsible for another's actions because of their relationship, like an employer being responsible for an employee's negligence. But non-delegable duties are about the duty itself. The person who owes the duty cannot avoid responsibility, no matter who actually caused the harm. It's a way of making sure that critical safety responsibilities are always taken seriously and that injured parties have a clear path to compensation.